and Woolley, Johnson Heather, there's no one better. No Mike Beatty, he's the man. The world record, y'all understand. We drink Epidemic, Alec King. Come on, y'all, let's go run again. The world, y'all, Southern style, just some good old boys. Whitetail, monster bears, country boys making noise. Hip, turkey, pronghorn, it's time to get your hunt on. Bows, guns, having fun, let's get some hunting done.
We like to load to go do our thing, hunting the world for all kinds of game. Bears, boars, birds, bugs, southern boys and camo trucks. Worldwide on the Outdoor Channel, y'all tune in and bring a friend. We hunting, baby, grits and gravy. Come on, y'all, it's Southern style. Drinking sweet tea up in the tree, drop 12-point buck from a quarter mile. Bass fishing, hog hunting, turkey shooting, game running, mud bogging, camouflaging, putting it down so y'all can watch it. Hunt the world is the name of the show. Better ask somebody if you don't know.
Hunt the world, y'all, Southern style, just some good old boys. Whitetail, monster bears, country boys making noise. Hip, turkey, pronghorn, it's time to get your hunt on. Bows, guns, having fun, let's get some hunting done. Woohoo! Boys, that's how we hunt down here in the South, y'all. Ohio makes us Thompson Center one-shot smackdown. Ken, I see you up in the stand with that Matthews bow. Yeah, baby, that's what we do down here. We hunt, we fish, we ride in the mud, cook out. We might do a little some of everything down here. That's just some country boys, y'all. Y'all don't be mad at us. Y'all welcome to come on down here anytime you want to. Y'all can hunt with us. We can do it all, baby. That's just what we do down here.